I had a couple of guys asking what I do after a run in order to clean my rigs up. First, what I do after I run, depending upon where it's at, because I usually don't run in any place that's wet, mud, or nothing like that. I take the top off, and like I said, I'm usually driving my pickup truck. You know what I mean? Usually driving the pickup truck, so take the top off, put the body in the back seat, and then I leave it open just like this, and I put it in the bed of the truck, right? Tie it down, all that good stuff, and then drive home. So that gets most of the loose grass and stuff like that blown out of the truck. Blown out of the chassis and stuff, right? So that's what I do for the stage one, you know what I mean? So stage two, I take it, bring it home, turn it upside down for a quick second, try and knock any kind of loose, you know, any other kind of loose grass that might have got stuck with dust or whatever that might have got stuck and didn't get blown out from the back of the truck. So step 2, sit down, and then I grab this X-Power. All right. So boy Rajay put me on with this when we was at the track. This is a lot easier than taking a compressor, and I have a compressor, you know what I mean. I got a compressor with the real hose up here, compressor sits back there. I got all that, but it's loud. It takes a minute for the tank to fill up. I ain't into all that, you know what I mean. So I like this joint. Let's see if I get the name for it. X-Power. They sell on Amazon. I think it's like 50-60 bucks, something like that. Not that bad, you know what I mean. But it has two settings on it, low and high. All right, I usually use high and take it and just, you know, blow over the whole car. You know, try and get all the nooks and crannies, get back in your tires and your shocks, you know what I mean, all around your pipe, you know, and get all in between your gas tank and carburetor, all that good stuff. Front, same thing, shocks, arms, tires, all that good stuff. Do that with X-Power, and I put her away. Like I said, until the end of the season. End of the season, we do a complete engine pull, radio tray pull, and hose down and wash with simple green and all that stuff. But during the season, that's all I do right here. Do that, then bring it in the house and set it on the rack and fix whatever's broke. All right. So let me get the spraying this joint. I can show you exactly how this goes. So y'all hold tight. I'm gonna get started with this so you can see what's going on. Alright, so after that, you know, take and blow the body down also. Do the same thing. If it's a little muddy and a little bit of grease on here and everything just like this, I'll probably go ahead and take this and take it to the hose. A little washcloth or something, just wash this down. Not planning on doing that with this because I'm getting ready to put the new body on. So y'all stay tuned, and hopefully we'll have a new body for this joint, and hopefully this was helpful for somebody. And I will see you on the next one. All right, y'all. Crucial RC out.